Welcome back to Mapleberry Farm. You see a robin down the driveway. Seen two fishers. Ran by about half hour ago. Running into another property. This is half melted. Did you ever eat those? From Costco. They're good. We got them. Thanks. Scott and Heather. That's where they came from. Thank you. I didn't even say what I was doing. This soffit and fascia. Yippee. All right. I'm gonna actually put this piece on up here because I want it to meet up here for when I put that piece across there, so it meets on the bottom of each side there for the box return. So I'm going to put the pieces on here first. Then I'll be done this side. This part of the program is brought to you by Coca-Cola. Just kidding. But it'd be cool if it was, because they'd probably give us a bunch of money.
No part of the program is actually from Coca-Cola.
But I'm gonna drink it.
So if they wanna, you know. Get
But if anybody knows a Coca-Cola representative, I'll drink this every episode. That corner's just about done there now. Just have to go back. I'll go back and use caulking on any part where I need to. But I'll put a little piece of metal in there. probably move out of this province.
It's good and bad. No, not even close. Go
Okay.
further. It's almost perfect. Maybe a hair more. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Really starting. I feel like there's a shower coming.
Yeah, 'cause it should be out here. Because if I have to put tire on it anyway,
Yeah.
stop it. I'm helping.
The library girl, the librarian, she got chili cheese nachos. Ashley was on her lunch break and we ended up both going at the same time. Yeah, it was nice.
Okay, so there's fights on tonight. So this here satellite, I'm scared to take that down tonight. So I'm not going to take it down. I'm sure that I'm sure I could take it down and put up the soffit and the fascia right there and then just mark it and put it, because that's what I'm gonna do when I do it. But I'm scared to do it because I don't want to miss these fights tonight. They're huge fights and I don't want to miss them. So I'm not doing that part today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But I am gonna go up here and I can keep putting soffit on, right? So I'll go here, I'll put the rest of the soffit there, the drip edge up here, the fascia up to there, cut that right there, and so on, right? And then I'll keep on continuing down here with the soffit as far as I can go, how far I get the stage in with it, because I don't want to put the metal on, because I want the metal to go over top the other stuff. Either that or I'll just not nail it and be able to slide it back under later. But anyways, not going there because I don't want to move that. All right, and this side of the house, as you can see, is complete. We got that. So it's just that part I just showed you.